Well, this got my attention this morning. This is from ZDNet. This writer says that Zorin OS puts on a master class for what a desktop operating system should be, or at least what a desktop Linux operating system should be. Well, what about today's Ubuntu? They've been around longer. I can tell you that today's Ubuntu is really good. I did the latest upgrade and all of my extensions work. Like all of them. Just like they do in Zorin OS. Normally after an upgrade, something breaks. Did not happen with Ubuntu. What about today's Linux Mint? Yeah, of course, Linux Mint doesn't really use the GNOME shell. Probably their two desktop environments, comfortable ones are going to be, the Mate desktop, my favorite, and I think they also have XFCE. Zorin uses a modified version of GNOME shell, probably the best modified version of GNOME shell. They've also customized the XFCE desktop. They offer paid and free versions. So today's Ubuntu runs perfect, for me at least. Linux Mint runs perfect. So why is this the master class according to this writer? I think he is correct, by the way. Well, Zorin OS has been around a long time, since 2010, and ever since the beginning, Zorin OS has put an emphasis on Linux, not just making it reliable, but making it more comfortable to use, such as making it look like Windows, so Windows users, can feel comfortable using something new, and there's nothing wrong with that. I would have to agree, Zorin OS, a master class for what a comfortable Linux system should be, at the very least. What do you guys think? Let me know.